Hey folks, today is November the 28th. It's currently about 9:38 in the morning. I've been in a new trade room for the past couple weeks and I wanted to introduce everybody
Mic
to it.
check. Can you hear me clearly, Larry? Okay, cool. Thanks. So we got past the 9:35 mark on the. Oh yeah, yeah, the icon. Yeah. We got past the 9:35 on the ES, so we're waiting for a setup. CL right here. It's choppy. Just broke out of this range. Had a buy signal that broke out of the range. It was too big of a bar to take. This ES came at 9:32. We have our magnet below on the ES and above on the CL. We'll see what we get. Oil inventory at 10:30 and new home sales at 10 o'clock.
Okay. Now, as you
Right
guys
after
can
you
see,
left, Larry, yesterday, literally probably a couple of minutes later, got a nice setup on the ES. Took the trade and reversed the, I think I was down about 80, reversed it and finished on the positive about 35 bucks, I think. Literally about 2-3 minutes after you left. So it ended up being a little better than a scratch day. See if we can get a real, well, you had stuff to do, so, but yeah, it was a weird up and down day, but I'll definitely implement the market order entries if it presents itself for sure today.
okay, so like I was saying, we in this room he trades the CL and the ES, as you guys can see here. And I'm not using Ninja Trader, but he currently is, and that's what's recommended. He's also doing the Top Step Trader Combine, so you guys will be able to follow along as he does that in here. I believe he's doing it for the $50,000 account. But just to follow along, I'm going to be using Infinity here. I'll be placing my trades on either the CL or the ES. You can see here a demo, just so we can follow along, so everybody can see that it's relatively easy to follow along with the calls he makes in the room. I'm going to put all the information down below the video in case anybody wants to step in. He does things a little bit differently, so I'm going to make sure to put all the details beneath the video. But definitely think it's worth taking a look into, especially if you're interested in trading the futures market. And this is called the Equity Trade Room. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I'll come back once we have our first trade set up, and we'll see how the day goes. I forgot to mention, the hours are typically, I believe, 9:30 to 11:30, or a little after 11:30. All right, be back shortly. All right, guys, looks like he jumped in a buy order.
75. I got the wrong 18.
You can see ES.
75. 86.75.
All right, looks like he has a stop at
86.25.
86.25. So
would've
right
liked it
here.
to
All right,
get
take
the
profit is at
bonus, but
93.75.
caught up in this chop. We'll see if we can push out.
So way up there.
I said that too.
Also should mention the time here. It's currently 10:51.
Can't do two trades at once. That's a CL trade. You see how this muck here.
You can see the profit and loss right down here.
Target 92.75. Just gotta break this right here. 89.75.
My original plan was to go for 10 ticks, 10 stop, 10 take profit, as you guys can see over here. So I might continue to do that because I know he goes for a little bit more. A lot of times his risk reward, he'll go for 2 to 1, or excuse me, 1 to 2. He'll risk 1 to make 2. And let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2690.75 would be 10 ticks for us. And obviously we'll continue to watch and see what happens with his. But 10 ticks is a little over $100. And our risk is always less than that. He usually cuts his risk short pretty quickly. And obviously if you trade more than one contract, you can take one off at 10 and then leave one runner at his profit target.
Stop 87.75.
All right, so limiting our risk pretty significantly.
Trying to get 2 points here. Came within 1 tick short. Mm. Get a little push up here. Mm. Oh boy. Uh, Not liking this. Move to break even, guys. I'm not liking it. Just playing games. Should have popped up. Not liking that.
All right, so out for break even. Came within, I think, 2 or 3 ticks of hitting our profit
It
target,
might
but
end
didn't
up
quite make it.
doing it, but I'm not liking it. It's not a lot of conviction.
All right, I'll pause it and come back on the next setup. All right, buy order on the CL. Let's go ahead and center that real quick. All right, stop is at 51.
51.0. Stop is at
Let me see where he wants it.
51.01.
51.01. All right.
See if we can get a push up.
All right, he has his profit target at 51.36.
Looking for the 10
I'm
ticks.
going to leave mine at plus 10 ticks.
Oh, come on. Let's get the pop.
Very close here.
All
There
right,
it
go to
is.
break even. Boom. Don't really like this market today. It's like we're just begging to get a real move. Jumped in on a market order. Got a horrible fill, but I didn't want to miss it. Were you able to jump in on that, Larry? In the market order? Would have been nice. We got in here. Oh, good. Could have got 15 ticks, but I'll take it just because it can still keep going. When it's late in the day like this, we don't have a chance to, get a second opportunity. Good, me too. That's what we want in the room, at least 10 ticks. It's 11:30. You know me, we're not going to get this money back. So I'm going to call it a day. We had 2 trades. One's a scratch. This is looking real nice, but we'll just take it because it's late in the day. And look at that puppies. It's going to hit. Oh, wow. It's going to go for the magnet. Nice. If this was early in the day, we would have stayed in. I would have stayed in. Try to get that 20 ticks, but we sat around for 2.5 hours. I'm happy with that. So one in day. All right, buddy. I'm cutting this internet off. I'm done. Thanks for the support. All right, bro. Have a good day.
All right, folks. That is gonna be it here. Give me one moment. All right, I wanted to find the email with all the information about the trade room in it, but like I said, I'll just go ahead and put the information on my website, and also maybe put the information on YouTube as well. So wherever you're at, you should be able to get the details on how you guys can jump in the room and give it a try for yourself, whether or not you're doing the Top Step Trader Combine like the vendor or the lead trader is, or whether or not you're just trading your own accounts. All right, so if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to send them my way, and I'll try to get them answered for you. Or you can, like I said, check below, get the vendor's information, and you can also contact him directly. All right, folks, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the next update or on the next video.